hand is supporting you. Cross one leg over. Spin around towards your front leg. Come into either a squat or a semi-squat. And then hip accent and hips accent. Step out wide. Hip swirl, posterior hip swirl, posterior hip swirl. Come into the pin-up. Lean on that chair. Look at your partner. Slowly lower yourself down, sideways. Use your arms, ease your way down. And tiger crawl, depending on how much space you have. Maybe you want to do 4 walks, maybe more, maybe less. Excellent. Let's do that from the top, okay? So I want to stress this. If we try to rush moves, it makes us sometimes feel clumsy and kind of look clumsy. So you're already going out on a limb and doing something very brave, claiming your sexiness and putting on a little bit of a show. So I want you to take time in the moves so that you don't feel like you're stumbling. I want you to breathe, take time, and enjoy. See if you can kind of get a feeling of enjoying the fact that your body can move in these ways. All right, let's take it from the top to the crawl. Now it's nice to have some accents, so when you're walking, you can have a little more of a power walk. It doesn't all have to be super slow. Contrast is lovely. So let's do our runway walk. Remember a little shoulder attitude. Single leg step up. Hip swirl, make that big, nice circle. Very sexy move. And the spank. Sit down, diagonally. Upward body stroke. Take your time. Feel the hands along the body. Head wrap. Finger kiss.